Shade match my gorgeous client with me. I'm starting my testing Face Atelier number 8 along her jawline and number 10 closer to her chin. 10 melts in better. The depth and brightness feel right, and you can see how it melted right into her neck, so that will be my base. I do find that it was a little bit too red in the center of her face, so let's customize this mix. I'm adding a touch of yellow to warm number 10 so it ties into her neck and shoulders. Then I will add a little bit of pink to the mix to keep her complexion looking lively and not flat. And finally, the tiniest dot of blue to cool the mix so it doesn't lean too yellow or too orange. Once I'm happy, I freehand dot that mix around her face and blend everything in. As you can see, her skin looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks like skin. Her face, neck, and chest all read as one seamless shade. I add a bit of concealer to refine, and here's the final look. What do we think?
Hey, this looks so good.
Changes you'd like?
No. Oh my god, babe!
Yeah.
Fucking killed it. I love the lip. Babe, this looks so good.